Hi guys, this is Shirali, and in this video we're going to see why Afghanistan is important to India. So first let us see the historical relations. India and Afghanistan's relationship traces way back to the Indus Valley civilization, where they primarily carried on trade. Following a brief occupation of the region by Alexander the Great, it was seized to the Mauryas as an alliance treaty. This is when the major exchange of culture and religion took place. In fact, the cultures and lifestyles are so similar that Bollywood movies are actually a staple part of their lives and generate a pretty decent revenue. Whereas the geographical significance is that anyone who controls Afghanistan controls the land routes between the Indian subcontinent, Iran, and the mineral rich Central Asia. So naturally, every major power wants a slice of this region. Like you see in the map on the slide, Iran on the west, Pakistan on the east, the Central Asian republics in the north, and a small stretch also borders China. Like we've seen in the map before, India does not share any borders with the Central Asian countries. So maintaining good relationship with Afghanistan is like a gateway to the oil and mineral rich Central Asian countries. The very popular major connector being the Tapi pipeline. It is a natural gas pipeline connecting Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India. It is being developed by the Asian Development Bank. An important note that could be useful for prelims is that the source of energy for Tapi is Galkanish in Turkmenistan, which is also the second largest natural gas field of the world. This will help provide energy-hungry India gas at competitive pricing to run its power plants and also diversify the fuel basket of the Indian economy. India is the largest regional investor in Afghanistan, building infrastructural networks, schools, hospitals, cricket stadiums, dams, roads, etc. This massive reconstruction offers many opportunities for the Indian companies. India also benefits from the fact that Afghanistan is also home to resource deposits worth $1 trillion. A consortium of 6 Indian companies led by Public Sector Steel Authority of India won a 2011 bid to the mine steel in the province of Bamiyan. It will invest around $10.8 billion. The Iran factor. India, Iran and Afghanistan also signed a historic deal to develop the strategic port of Chabahar and agreed on a three-nation pact to build a transport and trade corridor through Afghanistan that could help half the time and cost of doing business with the Central Asia and Europe. Developing the Chabahar port is crucial for India because it will not only allow New Delhi to bypass Pakistan and access global markets but also counter China's expanding influence in the Indian Ocean region. So let us see the problems in India-Afghanistan relationship. Lack of geographical contiguity and limited access. Pakistan's continuing interference in Afghan affairs. Pakistani army has also had a great impact in Afghanistan, so there is always the fear that the region might fall prey to radical ideology and violence, hurting our investments. Finally, the security concerns of Indian nationals working for rebuilding Afghanistan is a major issue. Ending on a positive note, Afghanistan can actually become a bridge in bringing together the countries of the region because a stable Afghanistan benefits everyone's interests. So this is the basic information about India and Afghanistan's relationship. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments box. Thank you.